Would you knock, if the house was already calling you? A group of friends in Ohio found an old house deep in the woods. It looked abandoned, no lights, no signs of life. One of them rang the broken doorbell for fun. From inside, the sound of footsteps. The door slowly opened. A voice whispered, "You're late." But the house was empty. When they checked the recording later, the timestamp showed the bell rang by itself, an hour before they arrived. If you ever hear a house answer back, run and subscribe before midnight.